YouTube, my name is Nafisa Naumi. My channel's name is Manga World of Art is KTDC. You all viewers knew me that I had already made a video on the hashtag my manga drawing list. Some of you had seen my drawing and I knew many of you had watched my video, and you viewers do want to know why I had made my YouTube channel and when I decided to do so, even why I had opened my channel. Before introducing with myself, I decided to answer some of the question you had asked. Well, some of my friends and cousins did ask me in WhatsApp. They are viewers of WhatsApp too, but they didn't subscribe, so I don't mind. So if their question was personal, so I'm gonna answer their question. So today I will share my 6th opinion why I started. To be honest, my personal opinion at first, I often found myself alone and isolated. Number 2, to build my confidence back. 3, I want to interact with new people easily. Earlier it was harder for me to interact. Sharing my ideas and imagination with you through my art and art of manga. What did really makes me fall in love with manga, and I love them because because of drawing them, did help me to find myself and my passion. What I know about them and why I do want to spread. Okay, now next, I opened my YouTube channel at 2018 April, and the date is given in the description box below. Please check. Okay, now about me. If you don't know me yet, well, I am a student of A-levels. I am in my 11th grade and in college right now. Pressure of my studies is a bit low now. I love to draw manga because it's like a meditation to me. I hope my tutorial can also be a meditation to you. This is all about me in short. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow me in Twitter, Instagram. And last message, please put your question in the comment box and ask me what do you really want to learn about manga. Now last, I am coming in the end of the video, so now I'm gonna share my one message to you all viewers and subscribers. I'm promising now that I will make a first tutorial video when I will have almost 50 subscribers, 100 viewers and 30 likes. Bye. See you later. Till then, goodbye. Love you. Till then, goodbye. What do you want to learn? Please. Hello YouTube, my name is Nafisa Naumi. My channel's name is Manga World of Art is KTDC. You all viewers knew me that I had already made a video on the hashtag my manga drawing list. Some of you have seen my drawing and I knew many of